Hello, class. Dr. Rostler here, giving you some introductory comments on our new text, the Sunjata, our first primary text for spring 2019. You have the reading schedule here. I'm in DB Seminar 5, Sunjata 1. So the reading schedule we have here, we have 2 weeks to work on it, and Tuesday, Thursday schedule there. We're going to start off on Tuesday reading episodes 1 to 9, or working through episodes 1 to 9, which is pages 1 to 73. And then here, there's the text that you can use, and then the podcasts. This is what I'll be posting, over the course of the next couple days leading up to Tuesday's class, and also thereafter. So you can see. In this podcast, I'll introduce the textual apparatus, um, and then I'll move to the translator's introduction and some reading interventions for episodes 1 to 9. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Taking a look at the text. Okay, so text here, this is the title page. So it's the Sunjata. It's also known as the Sundiata. So a lot of variations on the name. The name refers to a famous legendary king from the 13th century in the West African, area, what is now Mali or Guinea. Okay, so West African epic. So West African, or contextualization there. It's Africa in a dialectical sense versus in Western culture and civilization, right? So the uh, where does this stand within, what is the context here? How do we understand it? Um, so that's something we'll be talking about, right? But we want to understand that whatever the dialectical connection between Western civilization, Western culture, how it identifies itself, and the inclusion, exclusion of African culture here, right? So that's one of the things we'll talk about. The idea of epic, uh, a word that we need to talk about, a word that we need to problematize. Okay, so the epic genre, the way we'll problematize that is by some of the ways we'll problematize it through intertextualization. This means we'll compare um, this text to other texts that we will read or have read, and transdisciplinization, which we're creating dialogues with other texts and other generic variations.